Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the scanner, which is about a weekly Camarilla R4, a breakout scanner. And S4 will make on a new video. So in this video, I'm going to plan for a Camarilla R4 weekly basis. The Camarilla R4 is a resistance which you are going to break, and that is going to give you some breakout kind of trade. So either you can plan your trade by positional or even intraday that you can plan. So this is what on Camarilla R4, which you are looking for a breakout on weekly time frame. So how to get that in a weekly time frame in our chart? Simply, if you are making a 30 minutes time frame, it will be automatically change over to weekly time frame. I am using Upstox platform to get this Camarilla pivot scan. So it is automatically giving you last 15 days back data. So you just add a pivot point, normal pivot point. From there, you can add a Camarilla and you will be getting the level. So if you are going for a auto means if you are changing the time frame, it automatically changes. For example, if I am making a 15 minutes time frame, it will be showing you the daily Camarilla level. So you can see this is what a 25th and ending at 25th. So the next day Camarilla will be automatically changed. And if you are using a 30 minutes, it will be a weekly Camarilla. Okay, so weekly Camarilla R4 and S4 levels. So if you want to add R1, R2, that you can add, but here it's a limited up to R4. We can't get the R5, R6 scanners here, that lines or levels here in this chart, but we can derive in our charting platform. Okay, so the weekly scanner, this is what a weekly levels. And if you want to fix it, for example, I'll just go for only weekly. And if I'm changing it, even if I'm changing over a 5 minutes time frame or a 15 minutes time frame or even 30 minutes, it will be look for a same. So if I'm going to go for a 5 minutes, it is still same for this week. So this is the level for till the weekend. Okay. So from 25th to I think October, 2nd October, because 1 week time frame. Okay. So from Monday to Friday like that. So you can plan. So what I'm going to create here in the scanner. So any stock which crosses above weekly R4. Okay. So hope you understood. So no need to be change the time frame of this one. So our important point is about the weekly R4 is the main thing. So weekly R4, if the level is broken, I want to go for that particular stock. Okay. Once it is crossed above, and there is a two types of conditions, crossed above and greater than. So don't confuse it. Crossed above is the different one and the greater than is different one. So now I'm going to create the scanner which going to break the level in a 30 minutes time frame. Okay. So if you are using that weekly R4 breakout stocks, simply I'm going to plan with this and weekly R4. So I'm just simply going for a 30 minutes time frame. The close crossed above 1 week ago Camarilla. So why I'm using a 1 week ago Camarilla? It is the level which is derived from previous day level for the current week. So if I'm using this is what a simple condition which I created. So Balram Chini, Ramco Cement, Dalmia Bharat, RBL Bank, so Tata Consumer Product, so lot of stocks. So let me check any random one. So RBL Bank. If I'm taking RBL Bank, sorry, RBL Bank. So this is crossed above our R4. But if you are looking this, it's currently greater than our entry point on 30 minutes time frame, but it is not crossed recently. Okay. So when it is crossed around that level is 10:15 to 10:45 candle. So we need to exactly get that detail. So whenever it crossed above the level in the first time, that should be my alert or the trigger would be came to my telegram or whatever. Okay. So it is showing you all the stock which already triggered. So to avoid that function, we should use the -1 candle. Simply, I'm going to use for a -1 previous candle less than. That simply tell you less than, and the same condition which you copy, and this time is greater than. So if you are using this, and you will be getting exactly the current candle which triggers that particular Camarilla R4 level on weekly time frame. So I'm just saving the scan test, and the scan will be shared on my Telegram group. So if you are looking for this, and you can see around 115 to 130 candle, because I'm using 30 minutes time frame. So 115 is the starting time and 145 is the ending time, and Dalmia Bharat. So if you are going for a Tata consumer product, right? So what is the stock which you are looking for is about Tata Consume. So on daily time frame, sorry, 30 minutes time frame. So it's recently crossed. Okay, it closed above the level of R4 and weekly R4. Okay, it's not about a daily, it's about a weekly R4. So if we are planning for the stock which triggers, I am just recording this video on a live market. The market is currently running to get the exact detailed breakout on this. Even you can use for 5 minutes also to get that level. Simply you can use a 5 minutes. So don't need to wait for much more time. Simply you can wait, and the 5 minutes time frame, it will show you, but every 5 minutes it will be scanned. Those stock which crossing about to the level, that will be happening here. So Tata Consumer Product, Dalmia Bharat, 140 to 145 candle, maybe on 5 minutes time frame. So you can see it must be opened below 140 candle. So exactly it is open and closed above the level. So it is the point where it is exactly triggered. So we are not using the trigger point, we are using the closing point. Okay, so hope you understand. Here is the previous trigger and it triggers the level, and then it returned back and closed below. But this is the point where it is started below and closed above. So this is what an exact kind of the R4 breakout. And the second stock which I seen is the Dalmia Bharat. Dalmia Bharat is the second one. So if you are going for this, you can see this is the candle 130 to 140, but it is a fresh breakout and it is not crossing the level. And this is the point where it is crossing that particular level around 130. The 15 minutes. I'm just going for a 5 minutes. This is the candle 140. So exactly that one is showing you here. And like that, you can filter out. And if you are making an alert, so that will simply tell you what are the stock which are going to break. And so maybe you can create alert here, and you can use for a mail or a mobile, or even you can use for a webbook alerts also. So or you can send it to through this alerts to your Telegram, like that. So you can plan for this. The simple scanner which help you to find out Camarilla weekly breakout. So that's why I'm showing you here fixed. Okay. So if you don't want to fixed Camarilla levels, then you can go for auto. So if you are giving you auto, if it based on your candle time frame, it will be automatically changed. Up to 15 minutes it's intraday, 30 minutes is a weekly, and daily is a monthly. Okay. So you can see the from September 1st to last day. Okay, so it's about a monthly. If you are changing over 60 minutes also, it will be showing you the weekly. Okay, 25th. But if you are going for a daily time frame, it will showing a monthly. So for example, the Almia Bharat, which crossed monthly breakout at 2220 is the exact point, and then it went up to 2426, almost 200 point. So by using this simple scanner, we can derive as particular stock which is triggering our Camilla R4 on weekly basis, or we can simply use the crosses above. If the crosses above means any point of the every time it crosses, you will be getting alert, but this will be a fixed. Okay, so only the 5 minutes time frame which closed above to the level or below to the level, it will be automatically showing you. Same thing which we can use for a Camarilla support 4, that is a S4 breakout. So what we need to do is here 30 minutes close, or you can change it 5 minutes according to your need. You can change it. Here it should be greater than, and it should be less than, and we simply changing here S4. So this is what a request from my students. That's why we made this Camarilla S4, and this should be a Camarilla S4. So if you run the scan, we don't get any stocks, but recently, not today. Yeah, I think it is today around 10:15. We have a stock Pidilite Industries. Let me go to check Pidilite. So Pidilite Industries, and we have to check for a 30 minutes time frame. So this is what a weekly level which is broken on this particular time, 10:15 to 10:30 candle. But initially it moves, and the stop loss maybe S3 or R4 or R3, whatever you plan, you can keep a stop loss. I'm not providing any stop loss at this point. I'm just telling you how to find out the stock for a weekly breakout on Camarilla pivot. So I can save as stop it. So I'll be going to share this on our private Telegram group, that the paid Telegram group. If you wish, you can join and you can access that particular scans. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions and doubt, just ping me on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me, and thank you for watching this. Thank you.